All right, so now we may move on finishing the base wall. So let's get on cutting out this window over here. So let me just take this piece. Obviously, it's the only piece we have, and we're gonna go into edit mode. All right. So from the top here, let me just zoom in real quick. From the top here, that is the ceiling over here to the base. The top of the window is 0.21 meters. So let's just press Ctrl and R through here, and then let's move that all the way up until we have 0.21. That's what I'm just trying to make sure of, like that. Okay, so that's the space, and now the space, the length from the top to bottom of the window is about should I say the height? The height is about 1.69. So I'm gonna press Ctrl and R through here, and then move that down until we have 1.69, just like that. Okay, so that's the window, and also I think the rest is about, I'm not sure, 1.2 meters. Okay, so the rest is 1.2 meters. Now what we're going to do is to select face select mode, and I want to take this face. Let me just zoom into it, and then that face, and I want to press X and delete the faces. Let me enable this for you guys real quick. All right, so now I'm going to take these two edges and press F, and I want to take this edge here and press F to fill out all of the other faces, like that. And now I want to move on to this side right here. Okay, so let's go into edit mode, and from the top, if you take a look at the door, we have the door cutting out all the way through, and then we have the windows not cutting out all the way through. Okay, just sections of it like that, but it cut all the way through to the left and the right. So from the top to where the windows start to cut out, that is from the top to this side, and this side is about 0.5. So I'm going to press Ctrl and R through here, and I want to have 0.5. Let me just zoom in so we have more accurate values. We're gonna have to go down 0.5, like that. Okay, and now from here all the way to the bottom, that is the from here all the way to here vertically is about 1.15 meters. So we're gonna press Ctrl and R through here until we have 1.15, like that. All right, so now what we're going to do next is the door is 1 meter in width. Okay, so we're going to press Ctrl and R through here, left click and then right click, and I want to press Ctrl and B to bevel, and I'm going to make sure the space in the middle is 1 meter. So let me just try that again. Control R. Oh, come on. Control R. We're going to bevel it till we have about 1 meter. There we go. Pretty sure that's 1 meter. All right, good. Okay, so that is where we're going to leave it for now. Now we're going to cut out those faces. That is from here. Let's take this, that, and that, and this, that, and that. I'm going to press X and delete the faces. Okay, I think we need to get rid of these faces as well. So X faces, and now I'm going to go in here, take 1, 2. Okay, we don't need to fill that space, so let's just take 1, 2, 3, 4 and press F. I'm going to take these 4 as well and press F. I'm going to take these 4 and press F, and we're finally going to take these 2 and press F once. So yeah, that's the first one. Now we need to know how far down this door goes. It doesn't go all the way down, so we need to be sure where we need to end it. And I think I didn't write that down, so I'm just going to check it real quick and then we can move on. Alright, so now I have the values. Let's get on with this. So we're going to press Ctrl and R through here to cut out the top of the door. Okay, so it's 0.102. So we're going to press Ctrl and R through there, and then move this down until we have 0.102. Let me just move in a bit more for more precise values. So 0.102, just like that. If you take the values, you can see it's 0.102. And now over here, I think the value is 0.819. Yeah, so we're going to press Ctrl and R through here until we have 0.819 on the top. That's way too much. That's 817. Let's zoom in. Press G twice. 819, just like that. Alright, so now what we're going to do next is to take this face and that face, press X and delete the faces, and take this face and that face, press X and delete the faces. Now I want to take the edges, that is this edge, and then press F until we completely fill it. I'm going to do the same thing over here, press F until it's completely filled. And now that cutout it is done. All right, so now we can move on to the next thing, which I think it's the garage door, to cut out the garage door. All right, so let's go into edit mode over here. All right, so the garage door is about 2.12 high, so I'm just gonna press Ctrl and R through here. Let me see where that goes. Okay, not bad. We can still do this. So press G twice until we have 2.12. Hold it. Let me see. How much do we have here? That's 1.2, and we need 2.12. So how much do we need to add? 1.2, 2.12. That's 0.9 something. So let's take this and let's move it up until we have a. This is 0.1, 0.9. Let me try 0.92, and now let's see the length of that. So I'm going to take this and then that, and then press F. That's 2.12. All right, so that's it. And now I think from here, from the side here to the edge of the garage on the left here is about 0.87. So I'm going to press Ctrl and R through here until we have 0.87. Let me just zoom in, press G twice, 0.87, like that. And on the one on the right is also 1.06. all right, but we already have 0.2 here, I think. No, 0.13, so we need a 1.06. so we're gonna have a 0 point something, 0.9 something, I think. So let's try 0.981. Let's see how much that is. So that's 1.11. That's too much. So I'm going to press G twice and pull it in to 7.5. And let's take a look at that. 1.1. We need 1.06. So I'm just going to press G twice. Move this in. So about there. Let's take another look. 1.07. Okay, so that's pretty close. We can leave it that way. And now I'm going to cut out the garage. I think this side is about 4.47. Yeah, that's good. So now what I'm going to do is to cut out the garage from here all the way to the other side. So I'm going to take this face, that face, this face, and that face. Press X and delete the faces, alright, including the one below, just like that. And I'm going to take this face right here, I mean this edge here, and press F until we fill out the whole thing. Alright, so we've cut out all of those. Now I think there's a window also on the back of each of these, and I think it's about 0.185. I'm going to keep it at 0.2 high, and I think the length below is 1.46. let's see how much that is. So this is 1.766. I don't know if I want to go with that, but it's 1.46. let's join these two together and see how much it gives us. All right, so that's 1.69. that's way too much, but we can still go with it, I think. If not, we can add in a new one. Let me just stick with that. Okay, I'm not going to make any changes to that. So I think we're just going to press Ctrl and R through here and then move this close to the end over here just to add in a some space. I think it's about 1.15. So 1.15. Let me just press G twice and move this all the way here, and let's take a look at this. F. Okay, that's not close enough, so I'm just going to move it back some more. Let's press F. We need 1.15, so I'm going to press G twice, move this again. Let's take another look. Okay, pretty close. I'm just going to press G twice and move this down to 1. Let's take a look. Okay, that's pretty good. 1.13 is not bad. And I think the length is 1.8 something, I think. So let's go with 1. Let me check that real quick. I think it's 1.86, yeah. So 1.86, about there. So there we go. All right, right now there's a chopper circling our roof. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but in case you do, yeah, you're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so let's take this edge and that edge, and let's press F. All right, I'm gonna take this edge and press F all the way through to there. All right, so that finishes the bottom of the wall. The next thing we're gonna be making is this area right here. Okay, so the roof, that is the ceiling that joins to the top floor. So I'm gonna end this part over here, and we're gonna move to the next section in the next video.